Hello everyone, this is Larry Carson with MarineMax Charleston. Today we'd like to show you a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. This particular boat was ordered with the bow rail option. Uh, on this particular boat, the boat is meant to where you can customize it with cushions as you would like. You can add a cushion to the bow area that I'm showing here now. This particular boat does have the windscreen and there is storage under it, and we'll show you that in just a moment. Then you've got your full bench helm seat on this particular boat. You got 4 different cushion slash seating options that can go here as well. Boat comes with a 40 horse fuel injected 4-stroke Mercury engine. As you see back here, it's very easy access to get in and out of the boat. It comes with a 4-step ladder that deploys off of a corner of the boat. Makes it very easy if you're hanging out on a little sandy beach or climbing in from a nice swim. The portable fuel tank makes it very easy to fuel the boat without actually having to take the boat with you. For a lot of people that keep a boat on the end of a dock or in an area that may not be close to a fuel station, it just makes it a little easier. The boat does have power tilt and trim, both on the back of the motor back here and with the shift and throttle binnacle. We were talking about with the storage on the boat. And a nice sealed storage area in the console, something that the past models had never had. Just makes it easy to put wallet, keys, anything like that, personal electronic devices. This particular boat is in the light blue hull color. Looks really good, especially with the chrome graphic package that we'd ordered this boat with. Bimini top was an option we ordered on it. Unlike many other small boats, this is all stainless frame, not aluminum. Bimini top boot to wrap it up clean when you're not using it. And it comes with a custom built trailer built to fit this boat. Not a lot of tongue sticking off the front of the trailer, so it makes it easy to store it in a tight area. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boats, please give us a call at 843-747-1889 or shop us online 24/7 at MarineMax.com. Again, it's Larry Carson with MarineMax Charleston, and thanks for watching.